Hi guys, it's Lisa. I haven't uploaded in a couple days because my son came to visit me. He brought his fiance and they came to visit me for a couple days. So this is just going to be a short little video showing pieces that I have worked on in the past videos that I have finally gotten around to resining and finishing up. So it's kind of like a results video. So this was when I first was trying my, my airbrush out. So I was just using it on a canvas panel. Unfortunately, it did warp. But I could probably put it in a vase, in a frame or something. But I really love the colors. I'll figure out something to do with it. But yeah, looks really good resined. This is from a couple days ago. It was the heart that I did with primary elements. I think it was kind of like a Dutch pour. And then I did this little canvas with the leftover. So what I decided to do was went around with some beach glass on the little canvas, and then I attached it, so all the sides, and I am loving it now. Doesn't it look cool? All resined. I mean, it looked pretty cool before, but I'm really happy with this. This was primary elements. Actually, I think all of these are me experimenting with the primary elements and then doing a resin coating on them. These two were the really bright ones that I did when I did the vase on the canvas, and then did it. My vase resined looks like, oh, look at that. And then I added rhinestones on it. Seriously, that is gorgeous. I love that. So that's the vase with the rhinestones. And then I resined the canvas and added the same rhinestones. So this will be sold as a set. Oh, I love that. This was another primary element that resined. This is that one that, it was my second one that I did. It's that pumpkin spice. I did the fractaling. Love that. And then the very first ones that I did, I finally got resined. These are my absolute favorite. And this looks like coral down here, and then the light coming through from the ocean. Oh. These are so gorgeous. I'm absolutely in love. These are the ones that made me fall in love with the primary elements. And then this is the other one. Look at that color. Ugh. Gorgeous. But yeah, those most likely will be sold as a set. And then I used some leftover and did some more of these little hot socket things. See them? With some leftover paint. So pretty. This one came from this painting, of course. So it was the primary elements and then a coat of resin on it. And then this one came from these two pieces. Okay. And where did this one come from? Probably, yeah, from this one. And I did, this is my newest eye. It's a green one. Also a pop socket. And this is the one that I did with you guys in a video, I believe. So yeah, guys, this is them all resined, glass finish. I used KS resin. Sorry, I ran out of space. What I was saying was I used KS resin on all of them. So yeah, I really like, oh, I forgot to show you my finished flower. This was with the alcohol ink that I made from Resin Art colors. The pigments. I turned them into alcohol ink. There is a video on that. I love my little lizard guy. Isn't he pretty? Look at him. My nail matches him. I just think his toes are the cutest. So yeah. Love how these turned out. And remember, guys, most of the stuff that I do is for sale. I do have an Etsy, but I have not updated it in a while, so if you ever see anything or I do anything that you guys are interested in, please let me know. Alright, guys. Then I will see you guys later.